Dude.
Getting there was crazy, right? You
Fucked
guys had
up,
that?
dude. Fucked up. We were initially gonna, because it was at PNC. We were gonna take the train from, we're gonna take the transit. They have a train that drops you off near PNC. I forget the train station, and then you take a shuttle to PNC from the
Mhm.
train station. We make it one stop on that transit train, and they stop, and whatever, let people off, and it's not going, and they make an announcement. They're like, somebody jumped the tracks on the train ahead of us and got killed.
Oh my god!
So we won't be
Forgot
moving
about
for
that.
a while.
Oh my
And I look at Rich, I'm like, that's fucked, dude. Like,